DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
What's good, YouTube? Gang, so what Jambisco back in this bitch with a banger reaction. Yeah, man, gang, you see what we're doing today, man? Today we back with none other than Mr. Troublemaker himself, Mr. Talk of the Town. I don't know, we are talking about the best song in the dancing fantasy 2005. You don't know what we're talking about, man. Today we back with none other than, yeah, Mr. Byron Messia himself. Yeah, man, and the one entitled Dear Dancehall. I dropped this like, what, 4 days ago. I tried doing a reaction to it, but my camera kept freezing. I do it like the same day it came out, man. But yeah, other people got to it before me, but I'm going to do the reaction today, you know what I'm saying? Because my camera not freezing up. You feel me? Not acting up. So we're going to do a reaction, gang, and see what I got to do. Yeah, man. Dear Dancehall. It sounds like Byron Messia sending a message or a letter to Dancehall. We're going to check it out and see what's going on. A lot of people say it's very touching, very feel like, you know what I'm saying? And that he's apologizing about a lot of stuff that he did, I guess. Or like, you know what I'm saying, being remorseful. Well, I'm saying, shout out to Babu Lico, man, for that super chat, gang. Well, yeah, man, gang, we're going to check it out and see what dog I deal with. Yeah, man, Byron Messia, very talented, man, and he's been doing anything lately, man. We're not going with vibes much longer. We jump right in. This is Byron Messia, Dear Dancehall. Let's get it, gang.
We just figure say you're better at the dancehall thing than the soca thing.
And the dancehall me do still in a rap me do, you know.
Yeah.
I always consider myself as a rapper still.
Really?
Yeah, man.
That was the whole controversial line right there, you know what I'm saying, when he was talking about he considers himself a dancer, he's a rapper, you know what I'm
A
saying?
dancehall artist.
That's where the
a
problem
rapper,
started.
You know? The sound I want make me a rapper, basically. So yeah, like that.
Dear dancehall, me never mean for offend nobody. So what the fuck them attack oh sorry?
Man, so me never even feel afraid nobody so my talk about sorry. That's where all the problem started, gang.
When I talk about me no rate nobody. When me have a song with Govey and Valley. And me say dear dancehall, you know see a wrong news them a carry. No man worry when she not hear from me. Cause them a get me hot dark like Cali.
No mommy worrying she here from me because me I get dark like Cali.
Full of cut but I never hear line. Same time and rise them on me drop the same time. Been a pray for be a rapper since me drop a grade 9. If me thief style and I must see ride wave style.
I make you know say yo from me a little you try and grade 9 me a great dream to become a rapper. You see me? I rapper them me a pray. So my thief no style, I rap rave style my thief. You get what I'm saying? That's
I miss a dear dancehall. How me fit this is same place where me born. That a Kingston, shoes land Garrison. Me want to do it greater than Shaggy and Sean Paul. Want to do it bigger than Rihanna them.
man say yo, I'm for this place where I'm born. That a Kingston. You see me? Because I'm still a say I'm born in Jamaica and enough people don't know that also. You see me? I say, but yeah, a lot of people ain't sure if you born in Jamaica. You can just say that, you know what I'm saying?
Me want to do it greater than Shaggy and Sean Paul. Want to do it bigger than Rihanna them. Me see a comment the other day about influence and mocha, but them have to know me full of banger friends. Dear dancehall, me
I comment one day about influence and mocha, but when you know me have a bag of friend. You see what I say? What you see a comment I talk about yo, your influence on dancehall and mocha and all these things. But yo, we
never mean for offend nobody. So what the fuck them attack oh sorry? And I talk about me no rate nobody. When me have a song with Govey and Valley. And me say dear dancehall, you know see a wrong news them a carry. No man worry when she
wrong news them and carry no man when she not hear from
not hear from me. Cause them a get me hot dark like Cali. Me a dancehall artist, yes, but me a live a rapper lifestyle.
Alright.
If you ask so far, me a chat for me tell you more
say, man, yeah, my dancehall artist said, well, a rapper lifestyle me I live. So that's why I'm saying me
than 9 miles. Watch the cars, we a damn drive. And me have the matic pants stand by. For the haters want me damn die. Oh, die.
It's just a fusion of the song.
Yeah, man, watch me, carry me a drive. Plus me have a matic pan standby if y'all who want me down there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man.
Of the rap world
Don't try
mixed
up.
with the
Try
dancehall sound, you know. Cause you have to
Which
remember
are
say-
basically the sound right now.
yeah,
that's
just the sound, you know. The sound I want make me a rapper, basically. So man, I big up dancehall.
One thing, guys, one thing, man. This should we forgive him, gang? Dancehall shouldn't forgive him. We're not gonna forgive him fans. We're not forgive him, dog. It's like you see me a letter to dancehall. Sorry, letter. You see me I say dog. I apologize for mistakes and not be clear in what he meant. You see me?
It's like that.
Can't give him a blind man. Easy the one, dog, yeah man, dog asks for forgiveness. You see me and say, let her to dance.
So when the fuck them I talk about sorry, and I talk about me not rate nobody. When me have a song with Covey and Valley, I me say dear Dancehall. When I see her news them a carry, Mary Rowie when she not hear from me.
Be wrong news them a carry, man. You see me? No man me a worry, man, cause you know say yo me I get dark out here.
Them a get me a dark like a heart full of cut, but I never hear lines. Same time and rise, them want me drop the same time. Been a pray for be a rapper since me drop a grade 9. Still me deep style and I must ride the wave style.
Same time
I
rise.
miss a dear Dancehall. How me fit?
Same time rise, they want me drop same time, eh? I mean, look you want to be a rapper, dog. So I'm Steve no style, a rad wave style. You see me, a rapper style, me thief. You see me?
This is same place where me born. That a Kingston, Grand spend Garrison. Yo, Grand spend.
Yes, you know? Good God. Yeah, man, I can definitely see the rad wave influence in a Byron. You see me and say? No cap. I see him when rad wave like sing them sad, depressing type song there. You see me? But don't get you wrong, can make some upbeat tune and so on. You see me? But yeah, man. I know one thing about the one the gang, that's Byron Messia, dear Dancehall. He might do him thing. You see me and say it's a vibe, gang. It's a vibe. I like it. Let me know what y'all think, bro. It's a vibe. You see me and say, and in touch upon some subject, you see me try to clarify what he meant when he say my rapper. But him say, yeah, he's a dancehall artist and a dancehall music he make. You see me, wouldn't this where him come from? At Kingston. Because at the end of the day, he's still born at Jamaica. And I grew there fully, but he's born at Jamaica and yeah, that kind of foundation, that kind of roots. And that's also the roots of dancehall. So, you see me and I say, yo, how me feel sell out, bro? You see me, how for this place where I come from, bro? You see me, this place come from, I this myself. You see me and say, how me I this the culture, how me I this the genre, I not do that. You see me and say, all I meant is, yo, I'm a rapper based on the lifestyle of me live. From a little, I always see the rapper them, you see me, and I always see the rapper them, I live this lifestyle, so I always wanted to be you see me? I always see the rapper them living some lavish lifestyle, and me as a dancehall artist, come grow up and I live that same lifestyle, so I feel like that's why I consider myself a rapper, I'm living the lifestyle that they live, they portray, you see me, I say, but I'm a dancehall artist. You see me and say, that can I understand what I say, because back in the idea that the rapper them portray this lavish lifestyle, you know, this out of this world lifestyle, the jewelries, the cars, the girls, the money, you see me and say the events, people, you know what I'm saying? The dancehall artists there and make money, but they never show lavishness and luxury to that level as the rappers and the R&Bs and you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Yeah, so that's why I'm saying the lifestyle, you see me now, him have the ISO chain and the big car them and the, you know, the night the girl them and the you know what I'm saying, the money and the house and travel and private jet, you know what I'm saying? So that's what he meant. So I understand where Byron come from. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to Byron. You see me, gang. Let me know if you forgive him, Dan. Tell me know if you don't forgive Byron for what him do. You see me? I say, I'm clarify. Just say he's just a misunderstanding. You see me? I say, yeah, man. And he clarify some things, man. And basically, I say, yo, in culture, he's a dancer artist. And I said that he never been nothing. No disrespect when he constantly saying himself a rapper. You see me, nah, this is a place when he come from like a Jamaica and Kingston. You see me, and he just doing him, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, so. Yeah, man, let me know if I'm not forgiving people. You see, I think we gotta give Byron a chance. I gotta put it in word. This song is also dope too, you know what I'm saying? It's basically a love letter, a forgiveness letter to dancehall itself. You see me, that's the fans and the music, you know what I'm saying? The overall culture, man, which is dope. And I like that concept. You see me, but yeah, man, let me know what you think, guys. Byron, keep doing your thing, guy, dog. You see me, I say, if I give you dog, you see me, we not hold no hate. We never did a hold no hate like that. We just want to know and say, yo, put some respect. We just want to know and know where you stand. You see me, just put some respect on the culture. And him, you're supposed to love and, you know what I'm saying? I'm glad so we had give you this opportunity. You see me, I say, that's what the fans them feel. You see me, I say, yeah, man, guys, let me know anything about the one in the comment section. You see me, let's chop it up. Let's talk about it. Make sure you join the Discord. Link in the Discord. Yeah, link in the description to the Discord. Join the Discord, gang. And yeah, man, drop in the comments. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you like or show the artist some love and support, you don't know, there with the bang of them. You don't know, your boy Jambisco. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love, guys.
Oh, no, play me DJ. I wanna rap.